the most difficult aspect of starting a business is writing a business plan. A good business plan is the backbone to every successful company. It lays out a detailed strategy for how you will achieve your goals, and it ensures you that the roadmap for success when starting your venture. A well-written business plan can help you visualize your future, stay focused on your goals, and give others in the industry a transparent look at your vision. A well-written business plan is essential for any entrepreneur with an idea and ambition. In this video, we will cover step-by-step guide on how to write a business plan. Step 1. Executive Summary. The executive summary is the first section of your business plan and sets the tone for what will be discussed. It should cover who you are, any research done on your market, and what you want to accomplish. The exclusive summary should be concise and persuasive, so it can get the reader's attention. It should be no more than 2 pages in length and write it last. The executive summary includes short information about company overview, business objectives and strategy, key risks and opportunity, executive summary highlights. Step 2. Business description and overview. The business description should include the company's name, business structure, location, and any relevant background information about its founders or owners. The description should also include the types of service or products offered by the company, as well as any special features that make it stand out. Providing an overview of the company's history, mission statement, and goals or objectives is also recommended. Step 3. Target market audience. A business plan will not succeed without understanding the target market. This description of your market is what you'll need to know to create a marketing plan that aligns with the needs of your desired customers. The more specific you can be about your target market, the better chance of success you will have. Define the audience and target market for your business. What type of product do you want to sell? Who is your target customer? Write down as many details as you can before focusing on the other sections. Step 4. Competitive analysis. A good competitive analysis should be done before starting any new business project. It's important to know what your competitors are doing and how they're doing it. You should know the strengths and weaknesses of your competitors in order to create a strategic plan for how to best compete with them in the marketplace. A competitive analysis will help you identify your competitors and their strengths and weaknesses. This is an important part of business plan because it will give you a good understanding of what you're up against. Your marketing strategy may need to be tailored to take into consideration how your competitors are doing to try to steal your market share. You need to research your competitor to find out what they're doing well and what you can do better. You can also use an outside perspective to see if there's any gaps in the market that could be filled by your business. Step 5. Marketing strategies. When it comes to marketing, you need to keep in mind there are 3 main types: integrated, direct, and word of mouth. Integrated marketing is a combination of traditional and digital techniques. The goal of direct marketing is to connect the customer with a product or service using non-traditional techniques such as TV, prints, mailers, phone calls, etc. Word of mouth marketing is the process of sharing information about a product or service with others through conversations or reviews on social media. One of the most important marketing strategies for any business is to stay organized and focused. It's easy to get distracted with all of the social media platforms and news outlets available. To maintain focus, you can create timelines for posts and plan out posts in advance. If you are marketing your company, it's important to present a cohesive message. One of the most popular ways to do this is by using a tagline. A good tagline will capture the essence of what you're trying to sell or do. It should also be memorable and brief. Step 6. Production and operations. Production and operation is a big part of any business. If you're going to have a sustainable company, you need to have a process for getting the product made and distribute it to your customers. There are 2 main types of manufacturing: mass production and craft-oriented production. Mass production generally relies on a few standard steps that go into making a product, while craft-oriented production typically emphasizes craftsmanship and detailed artwork. Planning out your production and operations is an important part of creating a business plan. You must determine what materials you will need, where to get them, and how much they will cost, and how you're going to store them. Once the production process starts, all you have to do is figure out how to keep up with demand without running out of inventory or waste anything that can't be used. Step 7. Operations budget. The operation budget is one of the most important parts of your business plan. This section details how much money you'll need to keep your business running. You want to make sure that there are enough funds to cover all the expenses, such as supplies, personal, and marketing. How much money you will need to cover your expense and to maintain a healthy cash flow. Do you foresee any changes in your business that would affect this? An operation budget can help you predict the future so that you can plan ahead for how best to spend the money. Before you can hope to make money, you need to spend some on making your business work. This is the first step of the balance sheet and is one of the most important parts of your business plan. It will be up to you to decide to allocate funds, but it's a good place for you to start thinking about making an investment in your business future. Step 8. Financial projections and risk. Financial projections are the backbone of every business. They are important for securing finance, managing cash flow, and showing investors how your business will generate revenue. Your financial projections will be evaluated by bankers, funders, and potential partners to determine if you have a viable business idea. A financial projection cannot predict the future, but it can give you a reasonable starting point for projecting what your company might look like in 5 to 7 years. A business plan is always important, but if you plan to seek financing for your business, it can't be overlooked. Financial projections will be used to show how much money the company needs and will need in the future. It also predicts the company's cash flow over time. Risks should be outlined at this time as well. If you're looking for an investor, financial projections are the most important part of your business. Step 9. SWOT analysis. This is a process of examining all strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats that a company has. A SWOT analysis usually starts by looking at the company's goals and then categorizing them into different divisions. For example, sales, marketing, operations, etc. The goals would then be ranked according to importance and what the company will do more of as a consequence. A quick review of the 4 categories can help you get a handle on your business environment. Companies that have strengths in certain areas can focus on developing those services and products so they can capitalize on their capabilities. The same is true for weakness. A company that is weak in a certain area needs to find a way around the problem or simply stop the activity altogether. Be realistic when assessing your business, and don't be afraid to acknowledge a weakness. Opportunities can come from the economy, trends, or any other external factors that can help your business grow. When you're trying to build a solid plan, opportunities are an easy way to increase your business potential. Your business plan doesn't need to include every possible opportunity, but you also shouldn't be afraid to take advantage of anything that comes your way. At last, a business plan will help you predict your financial future, help you identify your risks and mitigate them, create a roadmap for achieving your goals, learn about your customers, and figure out the best way to reach out to them. Serve as a guide for all your decision making. If you have any questions for writing a business plan, then ask in the comment box. Now it's your turn to write a business plan and start your own business successfully.